Hey everyone, we're back in my kitchen to do another food making video. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make this Buddy Crocker cinnamon streusel muffin and quick bread mix. So we're going to make the muffin. The instructions are on the back, so this is what I'm going to follow. But let's go ahead and get on into it, and I will first show you the ingredients for what you will need to make this. Okay, so for this recipe, don't mind the pan. It is clean. Those are just stains I can't get off. But you will need a cupcake tray. You will also need the little, what are these called? The little paper baking cups, I guess. And then you will need 2 eggs, I'm losing my words, a cup to put your water and oil in. And then you will need vegetable oil, canola oil. So first things first is I'm going to line my baking dish with, let's see, my baking, whatever these are called. I keep forgetting the names of them. And the reason why I like to do this first is so in the end, it's like when you start to actually put everything in here, it's already done. So I'm going to set that aside for now. Next, I'm going to open my package. So you have 2 packages right here. One is your baking that you will mix everything in, and then this is your streusel topping. So I'm going to go ahead and put this aside because I don't need this right now. And I'm going to empty this into a bowl. By the way, I did want to mention I did preheat my oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, but if you are using a dark non-stick pan, you will put it at 400. But since I'm using the muffin tray, that should be fine. But I'm going to watch it because my oven tends to cook kind of fast. So anyway, here we go. We have our mix in here. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells absolutely amazing. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my water. I have 3/4 cup of water in here. And I'm also going to pour 1/4, let's see, I'll move this out of the way for 1 second. I'm going to pour 1/4 of my vegetable oil in, so that's not a lot of oil. Okay. So, we'll go ahead and put that in. Okay, I also cracked 2 eggs. They're just regular eggs. And I'm going to go ahead and pour this in. You also want to make sure that you have no eggshells in there. Now what we're going to do is we are going to blend this. Let's see, it says, until blended, batter may be lumpy. So it shows a spoon. Alright, so we're just going to make sure everything is blended together. This is a pretty runny mix, but that's okay. So it's turning a yellow color. Just making sure it's all off of the sides. And it did say it may be lumpy, which is fine, I guess. Alright. So that looks pretty good to me. So now what I normally do is I'm going to try this. We'll see how it works. I'm going to take an ice cream scooper and scoop my batter into some of my cups. So it says 1/4 each, but normally how I do it is I just take a little bit. I guess I could have done this with a spoon too. And just pour it straight in. So I normally just take a little bit of an amount and then go ahead and pour it in, like I said. And I just do this for all of them. So obviously that one has a little bit more, but that's okay. You just want to make sure they're all lightly coated evenly, so they do all bake evenly. But it's a trial and error thing. You can do 1/4 if you'd like, but it's just up to you. So I'm going to continue doing this, and I will be right back. Okay, so now that I've finished that, I'm just going to lightly tap just to try to make it all even. even though it may not be. So it does say to sprinkle this streusel over batter in each cup and then press lightly. So I'm just gonna lightly, oh, there's some like chunks. Put this lightly over each one. I don't know if I was supposed to leave the chunks in here, but I did. And then what I may do is take a fork maybe. Ooh, that one has a lot. I think I cut too big of a hole. So in case you guys use this, cut a smaller hole. Because I don't think I did a very good job of that. Alright, ooh, that one has a lot. Alright, so we'll just sprinkle this, because I think this is going to be the best part of the whole thing. So, and my, my oven is now ready. So, let's just finish. I don't know which one needs it now. There's a little bit more. I feel like this one is just painful. There we go. I guess we'll do this one. Ooh, 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 ooh. Put that in there. All right. There we go. And then it does say press lightly, so I think I'm going to just take a fork and just kind of press it lightly into the batter. And just, can you see what I'm doing? Right, putting this just like this. And then once I am done with this, what is then going to happen? So my camera did stop recording, which I just noticed, but they are in the oven. What I was going to say is you bake it for 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how long or how your oven cooks. So that is what they are doing right now. I did put them on for 16 minutes, so we'll check it in 16 minutes and see how it is. Okay, so this is what I did. When I took it out of the oven, it just says to check the tops, and if they spring back when they're touched, that means they're ready, or if it's golden brown. Some are darker than others because of the height. Other than that, it says cool for 5 minutes, so I think it has been about 5 minutes. I'm just gonna, oh, yep, take one out, scoot that back. And here is the final product. So I think it looks super beautiful and super good, and I'm really excited to try this when I have my coffee tomorrow morning. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you soon. Alright, take care. Bye.